Hey guys, this is your boy Kwesi, and in this video I'm going to show you I'm going to tell you about a website that you could earn $5 online. This can be a total of $150 every month. That is $5 multiplied by 30 days. On this website you will be selling your skill as a service. You could sell whatever skill you may possess, ranging from video editing, web designing, logo designing, animation, whatever skill you possess. Also your potential is not limited to $5. You quickly realize that your earning power could raise from $5 and it could go over $100 based on the level of technical work that the customer would like. The website that I'm speaking about is called Fiverr.com. The website that I'm speaking about is Fiverr.com, and it is one of the largest online platforms for buying and selling digital services. I've included the link below in the description, so go ahead, sign up and get started today. Don't waste no more time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified whenever I drop these money making videos. Thank you and bye.